Hi, everybody. My name is Kimberly Dupree. I'm the Training and Development Coordinator here at Kalamazoo Valley Community College. I am giving you instructions on how to create an IT help desk ticket. This is going to be necessary from December 1st, 2025 through at least mid-March 2026 in anticipation of our Higher Learning Commission a reaccreditation visit that's happening in 2026. We need to have the HLC planning team reviewing any changes that are made to the web pages associated with KVCC. So we have to request that people use this link to ask to make changes to the website, any of our websites. So what you want to do first is get here to the kvcc.edu homepage, and in the upper right-hand corner, click on the sign in link. So in the upper right-hand corner here, it says sign in, click there. On the left-hand side, you'll see among all of these apps, the employee portal for employees here at KVCC. This is where you get access to all kinds of resources in the form of various links. So I clicked on employee portal and I'm here at the homepage. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a blue box with all kinds of links to various resources. One of these links is information technology, where the help desk ticket is located. So we want to click on information technology, and then over here in the middle of the page where a lot of helpful links are located, the second one down, we have help desk ticketing system. This is what you want to use to put in these requests for changes to web pages. So help desk ticketing system, it takes you to a home page. Yours might look a little bit different than mine because I'm already logged into this system. But typically in the upper right-hand corner, the first time you log in each day, it'll ask you either to log in with your credentials. If you click login because you've used this system previously, it will just automatically bring you to this homepage. If you have to sign in because you've never gone to this page before, then you'll just create a quick account with your college email, and then you'll create a password automatically sign in to the IT help desk. And you'll get these 4 options down here at the bottom of the page. Typically, these will help you to navigate various issues. What we're using for this process from December 1st to mid-March is request a service. You are requesting a service be done to one of the web pages that you're helping to update or manage. So request a service is where you want to click. You'll get a list here of various types of requests that you can put in. Specifically, we want to focus on the one that says web and application development. So if you are developing, updating, or changing a website, this is the link that you will select. And then you get a request over here on the right-hand side that says website change requests. So you're going to click on this box here and note that it says that this is for any and all website change requests. So use this link and you'll get to this easy to use form. So this form here will allow you to put in a URL for the specific web page that you are trying to update. I pulled up the employee engagement wellness page. Maybe that has disappeared. Let me try this again. I'll go to the KVCC homepage. Let's say if I was updating the employee engagement and wellness page, this page here, I would take a copy of that URL, if that's where the changes are going to be made, and I would insert that here into the form. So that takes them directly to the web page that they're going to be changing. Make sure that you're on the page where the changes need to be made. Here is another required field that says description of changes. It's asking you to be as descriptive as possible of the changes that you need to make. If you want to direct the folks in IT to a specific part of the web page, maybe using a screenshot or something similar, you can attach a file here. So you can create a screenshot, which is a whole other process. You can ask for training on that from me, Kimberly Dupree, if you need help with that, but you can attach a file here that maybe gives the specific breakdown of the changes, maybe a screenshot that highlights a certain part of the page that you need to request a change. There's a box here that says, are these changes due to regulatory or compliance issues? You select that if it is a change that's very important because it's related to an update, maybe to a law or a regulation. So for example, if we were making a change to Title IX information or the Title IX policy, we might select that box. If you're making changes to FERPA information, because maybe there's an update with a law that comes in, you would check that box. And then it's also asking you down here at the very bottom, if it is because of a regulatory or compliance issue, make sure that you describe what it connects to, again, a Title IX law change or something like that. And then that will give them some additional details as to why this is important or maybe urgent to make that change. Again, you can select on attach a file if you have something that you want to upload, and you can select a file from your computer. And then when you're done, in the lower right-hand corner, you select the box here that says place request. Once you hit that button, it will say, thank you for submitting this. It has been being processed for, it'll say 2 minutes or 4 hours or 4 days. It gives you an update there in terms of how long, they have been working on that request. Once you receive approval, it will actually generate an email to you indicating who approved it, if they had any comments, or maybe if it wasn't approved, maybe a justification for why that change needs to wait. So I just wanted to give you the basics here of using the help desk ticketing system. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at kdupree@kvcc.edu.